Good part of the day. My name is Mukhadin Ahmedov. Now, me and my peer Farida Khanumarova will talk about bank manager job responsibilities and duties. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loans. Bank may also provide financial services such as wealth management, currency exchange, and safe deposit boxes. There are several kinds of banks, including retail banks, commercial or corporate banks, and investment banks. Banking sphere always on the top of the demand because how long economics of state will exist, bank also would exist. And in every country, year by year, number of banks is increasing, so the demand for bank managers also increasing. To be successful, the bank of the future will need to embrace emerging technologies, remain flexible to adopt evolving business models, and put customers at the center of every strategy. The future of banking will look very different from today. Faced with changing consumer expectations, emerging technologies, and new business models, banks will need to start putting strategies in place now to help them prepare for banking, for example, in 2030s. Bankers, also known as retail bankers, bank officers, branch managers, client service managers, financial planners, hospitality managers, mortgage brokers, service managers, they are interacting with clients on a daily basis by assisting them with services such as setting up and checking savings accounts, authorizing the loans, and moving money. They also consult clients on banking products and services. Let's talk about bank managers. Bank managers are responsible for coordinating and directing the operational functions of financial institutions such as banks, building societies or credit unions. They oversee front office operations, provide the high levels of customer services, and direct regular team meetings and trainings. In global market, share of private sector owning the banks is increasing, taking under concentration the Uzbekistan. According to stat.uz, the number of banks in Uzbekistan in 2000s were 20, and this number almost doubled by 2020s, and this number is 35, and almost 59% of this number, these banks owned by private sector. In Uzbekistan, governmental banks have their own field of working. For example, Agrobank mostly works in sphere of agriculture. They help farmers and companies in this sphere with loans with low rates of percents. Milli Bank mostly works in sphere of currency. They are operating with international banks. Uzprom helps to support developing sphere and urban planning and so on. Private sector banks, Hamkor Bank, İpek Bank, Infin Bank, Orient Finance Bank, Asia Alliance Bank, they are the biggest banks of private sector in Uzbekistan. In terms of salary, private sector is leading by high levels and high rates of bonuses and salary. For instance, chief accountant of Hamkor Bank mentioned that some of the salary in private banks of Uzbekistan of the bank managers is from 3.5 million sums to 20 million sums. According to the chief accountant of Ipoteka Bank in Uzbekistan, the median salary of the bank managers in governmental banks 2.5 million sums. In all types of banks, your salary ups to your job responsibilities, duties, skills, and experience. The main duties of the bank manager is to ensure the high level of service for customers, monitor sales targets, oversee operational functions and provide solutions to operational issues, promote and market the institution and its products. Bank managers usually work in an indoor office environment. A typical work week is from Monday through Friday. However, at busy times, bank managers may be required to work overtime and weekends. Thank you for your attention.
My name is Umara Faridakhan. Now I would like to give information about job responsibilities at bank. When you apply for a job, you must meet these demands. First of all, a candidate should be graduated the economic or finance university and shortly be informed about this job. Secondly, you need to have a good leadership skills, IT skills, analytic skills, team working, numerical skills. What's more, verbal and written communication are also essential in this sphere. Do you know that nowadays we have special courses and trainings which are provided by professional people from these spheres in order to develop your weak sides? According to the current bank standards in Uzbekistan, there are some requirements to the candidates. They are knowing at least two languages, Uzbek and Russian. If you speak in English also, it will be very beneficial as a chance for getting a job will arise. Banking certifications. Certifications that can help banking professionals command higher salaries and advance their career. What are banking certifications? When considering to pursue a career in banking, having the appropriate banking certification can enhance your reputation and move you closer to getting a promotion. The certification can also help banking professionals increase their earning power and ensure quick career progression. Examples of highly rated certification for banking professionals include CFA, CPA, CIMA, CMA, and AFIRM. Financial professionals holding a K banking certification enjoy better job prospects, high earning power, more specialized industry knowledge, and a large number of opportunities. From the including certification, now I'm going to tell more about two of them. Chartered Financial Analysts, CFA. The CFA designation is one of the most popular and rigorous certifications for the finance and banking professionals. The certification is administered by the Chartered Financial Analysts Institute. The CFA program comprises 3 levels and that professionals are required to complete and pass. A finance professional with a CFA certification is highly regarded in the banking industry. They are considered experts in a variety of fields such as economics, portfolio management, investment banking, equity research, and analysis. Professionals with CFA credentials can work as financial analysts in the investment bank, mutual funds, insurance firms, hedge funds, and consulting firms. Second one, Certified Public Accountant, CPA. The CPA certification is offered by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, and it targets professionals in the finance and accounting industry. The CPA certification is highly valued in the modern workplace, and it is the reputation of the highest level of methodological competence and accomplishment. The CPA certification requires at least 150 hours of coursework, and it covers a wide range of topics as auditing, taxation, company law, financial accounting, management accounting, financial reporting, and risk management. Candidates who complete the CPA coursework and exams need a CPA license before they can offer audit and tax services in public accounting. Thank you for your attention.